I recommend a ponytail first and foremost. I hear it'll beat you to death out there. I mean, it's been really going, and it got the surf going too. Meteorologist Andrew Shipley was out there today and snapped this little vid, and you can see, yeah, it's going on with that southeast wind, 30, 35 miles an hour at times. Let's take a look at what we face overnight tonight with mostly clear skies. Still some breeze out there. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to 25, and only 80 degrees as a low. Gee whiz. And then we go on through tomorrow. 95 by noon, 100 degrees by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it feels like 114, just like today. I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't have a wind advisory, or excuse me, a heat advisory for tomorrow. The wind advisory, we do have one in effect until 8 o'clock this evening, but tomorrow's wind's going to be just a little bit less. South-southeast 15 to 25, gusting to 35. Not quite advisory criteria. So 100 degrees for you, Harlingen, tomorrow. This is the breakdown for the valley. 106 for you, Roma. And again, everybody gets a piece of the heat index pie, 108 to 114. That's what it's going to feel like across the valley from one end to the other. And that's true for Thursday as well. It's still going to be hot, 100 degrees, feeling like 110. Friday, a little bit less so, and a chance for showers starting to sneak into the forecast. I'll show you that with Futurecast. And look at the weekend, 92 apiece. Now, we can look forward to that. Have you ever thought about 92 and thought, yay, that's the way it's going to break down? We're going to be just a little less hot for the weekend. Now, stay hydrated, folks, and parents, don't forget to check that back seat. Make sure the pets have shade and water because, you know, it's still hot out there every afternoon. And make sure you wear your sunscreen and check those AC filters. Those things get away from you fast. Now, tomorrow's winds, as I said, not quite advisory criteria. Southeast wind 15 to 25, gusting to 35, strongest in the afternoon. Now, payday, actually paydays, come Saturday and Sunday. A little trough, mixing it up. We'll have more moisture in the atmosphere, and this will add the trigger mechanism. So the moisture is the fuel, and this is the trigger, or the match, and then that's going to roll on in toward the valley and help beef up our opportunity for showers. Call it enhanced sea breeze. Call it tropical style shower activity. Rain and rumbles, whatever, I don't care. It's just going to be great because we'll have a 50 to 60% chance for rain for the weekend, and that's good. We need the rain. I mean, Hannah was a while back. It's time we had some more showers around here, around the Rio Grande Valley. So Saturday and Sunday, indeed, it looks like both days we'll rack up a real good chance for some rain with highs only around the low 90s. Now the tropical snapshot. Here's where things are getting a little bit on the busy side as we have a couple of developments off Africa now and on into the Atlantic. The one just off Africa has a 50% chance of becoming something more. And then we have the one that's in the south central Atlantic has a 20% chance of becoming something more. That's a long ways off. Now, more to the point, we have Tropical Storm Omar, that's off the east coast, and we have Tropical Storm Nana in the Caribbean. Look at those things. One's coming and one's going. Indeed, we'll put the track on them. High pressure is helping to block these things and help Omar move offshore and then help Nana. See, Nana would normally want to curve up like that. With the turning of the earth, the spinning of the earth, it's called the Coriolis effect. It helps to draw the storms to the right. But this high is saying, get down there. And it helps to push Nana down. So Nana's going to go on, I just like saying the name Nana. Nana's going to go on into Belize, more than likely, as a Category 1 hurricane. You can track all the tropical stuff with our meteorologists from around the country, valleycentral.com. Head to weather, and then tracking the tropics. Every Wednesday, it's updated, but it's updated more frequently when something is threatening the United States. So you got to check that out. It's a great way to stay up to speed. The forecast rolls on through. Hot, humid, breezy tomorrow, not quite as windy, and then you've got yourself a good chance for rain come the weekend. That's what we need around here, and that's what I think we're going to get.